Hi there. Today we're going to do Camel Pose and with supported wall and blocks. We can use 2 to 4 blocks. We'll go ahead and grab our blocks and we'll make sure that we have them on the short edge, flat side, and then we'll grab 2 more blocks here and we will take those up on the long edge. Again, make sure your knees are together or they can be hip width apart. Again, that depends on the style of yoga. But you want to know that the most important thing is your lower back and creating a more stable foundation. So let's get set up. We'll go ahead, get our fingers wide in the center so your fingertips can press down and your thumbs can gently grip the outer edges as we lift up. We're going to go ahead and warm up the spine. So we'll lift the hips up and then sink back on our hips, back on our heels. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you sink back. Again, we'll go ahead and lift the chest as we lift up. And exhale as we sit back onto our heels. And as we lift up, pressing our palms into the block, maybe this a little back bend now. Hips come forward, unclench that jaw, take that breath, exhale as we sink back on our heels. Again, linking the breath with movement, warming the spine, preparing the hip flexors and thighs. Let's go ahead and take that deep breath. Maybe we go a little bit deeper. Again, unclench your jaw, relax your facial muscles. Make sure you breathe. Exhale, sinking back on your heels. Beautiful. Let's keep moving here. We're going to go ahead and place the blocks off to the side. And if you're joining me again, we'll go ahead. I'm going to show you how to do the blocks. Make sure that they are on the flat, short side. Then I place 1 block on top of each long edge, leaving about finger width space in the center so your fingertips can press down and your thumbs can gently grip the outer edges. Here we go. Roll those shoulder blades back away from your ears. And we'll go ahead and sink back on our heels. Inhale. And exhale, sinking back to our heels. Again, we're going to lift that chest and exhale and sink back. Good job. Now we'll go ahead and take that little micro back bend, bring those hips tilted forward, unclench that jaw, keep that mouth open and breathe. Maybe this time we go a little bit deeper if needed, if it's in your practice, or maybe you reach for your heels. We're going to stay here a little bit longer and exhale. Excellent. We'll go ahead, pressing into our heels, tops of our feet, that is, palms of our hand, just opening up that heart space. Maybe we go a little bit deeper and breathe and clench that jaw. Here we go. Smile this time. And then we'll go ahead. Let's get those blocks to the side and we'll go ahead and follow me over to the wall. We're going to make sure that when we grab our blanket, we're going to bring our knees and we're going to press them as close to the wall as possible, engaging the legs and pressing the shins down. Or maybe reaching back for our heels. Your gaze can stay lifted or gently move back. Drawing the shoulders down away from your ears. And engage the hips, pressing them lightly forward. Let's lift and broaden through the chest and rib cage. Pull the navel in for support. Good job. We're going to go ahead and slowly, when you're ready, we'll move back. Bring your blanket with you. So we can go ahead and take it into child's pose to allow the spine to neutralize and breathe into the back body. Good job. Reaching those fingertips forward, lengthening those arms, bringing the head and chest down towards your knees. Relax that head. Maybe you use a block underneath your forehead. Just let that gentle release all the way up and down your spine. We'll slowly walk back up to the center. And now that we're warmed up, let's try this one more time. Place the hands in your back pocket like they're resting in your back pockets. Roll the shoulder blades back away from you. Lift your chest and lengthen through the spine. Take your back bend here first. If you feel open and flexible, go ahead and reach all the way back to your heels. If not, just say supported with your low back. Remember, feel supported. Breath is important. Always warm up properly before deep back bends. Move with awareness. We'll go ahead and take that forward fold. Pressing into the back of your legs, elbows down towards the mat. Thank you for practicing Camel Pose with me today. Remember always to listen to your body. Get grounded, get strong. Twisted Roots Yoga with Elizabeth. Have a good day.